How to convert PDF to Excel using AI. So your first step is to choose an AI PDF converter. So open an AI powered PDF converter such as Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant, or you could go with Small PDF, or you could also go with PDF Gear AI or the Microsoft Copilot if it's available in your Windows. Now, the next step after selecting one of them, I'll be going with small PDF, would just be to simply sign into your account and then begin exploring. So all you need to do is just click on the convert option on small PDF here. Once you've clicked on convert, go ahead and choose your file. So in this case, I'll be going with this PDF and then click on open. So it's going to upload the file to their website. Once it's done uploading the file, all we need to do now is select our export option, which in this case would be Excel. So we're going to be converting it from a PDF into a Microsoft Excel sheet. And we could just make it basic and then click on convert, and it's going to begin converting this to an Excel sheet. If you need advanced options for your conversions, you're actually going to need a subscription on small PDF. And then just simply click on download and the download would appear here. All right, guys, and that's how it's done.